Okay, so I'm creating this video to show you how to navigate through YouTube, how to upload videos, search for videos, and create playlists. So this is what the YouTube homepage looks like. Um, you'll notice in the top right, this would be where your Google account is. So anybody with a Google account also has a YouTube account. And if you click on your name, you can go to your Creator Studio. And in your Creator Studio is where you would create videos and upload videos onto your channel. So you'll see that these are my videos that I have uploaded, which I've only uploaded videos since I started this program. So this is new to me. This is something that I just learned. And then up here, I have 0 subscribers. So nobody watches my channel and wants to get updates or notifications for when I upload things. But you'll notice that big YouTubers, I guess you could call them, or vloggers, they would have millions of subscribers, of people that are always watching for what they upload. So down here in the create, you can create videos if you click on this. And if you go to the video editor portion, you can create something really quickly on this CC dot. These are videos that people have uploaded that are free, like they kind of just uploaded them for anybody to use and edit. So you would grab, let's say you want to use the red flowers, and you drag it down to the bottom. And then you can edit this video depending on, you can change the filter, put audio, whatever you would want to do to something that's already been created. Now, if you record something on your computer and you want to upload it to your channel, you would go to this arrow up here that says upload. And once you click on upload, this page will open and you're going to select files to upload. So once you click right here, it would be anything from your computer that you can upload onto YouTube, which it takes about, I guess, 5 minutes-ish. So another feature of YouTube that most people use it for is to search for videos. In a classroom, it's really useful in supplementing a lesson. So maybe, well, let's say next semester I'm going to be teaching Romeo and Juliet. And since Shakespeare's language is hard to understand, I plan to use videos kind of as an extra aid through getting to comprehend this play. So Romeo and Juliet crash course would be perfect, probably. And I haven't watched these yet, and of course as a teacher you would always want to watch something before you show it to your students. Romeo and Juliet part 1. So let's say I click on this video and I want to show it to my class. Okay, here it is. It tells you how long it is. And down here you have the option to go full screen, and then you can always exit out of full screen as well. So that would be just a way to see a video or to show it to your class. And usually once you search something on the right, all of these videos will kind of filter into the same topic. So you can just lead from one thing to another. Now, once you're logged in, you can also leave comments on somebody's video, which also can be good for kind of filtering through and seeing like, what do other people think of this video? And then just knowing that if you've uploaded a video, people are also going to comment on yours. So what is really cool, a cool feature about YouTube is, let's say I'm going to be teaching this Romeo and Juliet unit, and I'm going to want to be using plenty of videos along the way. Well, then, instead of just searching for them every day and hoping that I remember the title or that I save the exact name of it, I can actually create a playlist in my channel. So if you click add to, this will pop up, and I already have a Romeo and Juliet playlist, but if you didn't have one already, you can create a new one, or you can use a playlist that you have. So to create a new one, you would just put the title. So let's say period 1 Romeo and Juliet, and you create the playlist. Now it added to my period 1 Romeo and Juliet playlist. And then I see as I'm going, Crash Course Part 2. Great, I want to put this on my playlist as well. Oops, sorry. So same thing, add to. And since I just created that playlist, I want to put it on my period 1 playlist, and it's added. And then as I'm going, I noticed that I should probably include some Shakespeare background information, or a Shakespeare biography maybe, because this will be the first time that my freshmen are introduced to Shakespeare. So I see this mini biography, and I'm going to click on it. As long as I like it, okay, perfect. I want to put it on my playlist. So I'm going to add to my playlist, and then it's added. Now another feature that you can do is share the video. So let's say maybe I don't want to put it on a playlist. I just want to put this one video on Google Classroom or Haiku. Then I can share, and once you click share, this URL will come up. And once you copy and paste that, you can put it wherever you would like to share it. So that's another way if you don't want a whole playlist, if you're kind of just looking for a one video thing. So now that I've added these 3 videos to my playlist, you might be wondering where it's at. So that's when you're going to want to go to your 3 lines. And if you go to your channel, you'll see under your uploads, you have created playlist. So on this one, I have Romeo and Juliet period 1, and I have my 3 videos that I would like to share. So you can play them all, or you can just click on them as you want to play them. And what's really cool too is in the same way that you can share just one video, you can share a whole playlist. So if you click on this share, I can embed this playlist onto Google Classroom or Haiku or wherever else students are getting resources for your classroom. Now, what I plan to do with my class is, instead of just creating a playlist where I've chosen all the videos for them, you can allow the people with the link to add videos. So once you check that box, you're going to want to get the link, and now your students are able to add to this playlist. So I plan to do this with my students and have everyone just add 1 video or so, because I think it gives them some ownership of the lesson, and it also gives them kind of a chance to teach each other and understand how they can use YouTube to find information that they need as well. So that's something that I plan to do with my students in my class, which I think is a good way of using YouTube. Another way that I plan to use YouTube in my class is to have students actually create tutorials and share them with each other, which would be done on their Chromebooks, and then they would upload it onto YouTube. Just like I had mentioned, this arrow is how you can upload videos from your computer. So that's sort of the basics of YouTube, and how to search for videos, create a playlist, share videos, and how to upload videos. So thank you very much. My tutorial is over.